We're getting into summertime, and it's a time when really light coordinating, bright orangeade yellows are just really popular, and they're really fun to wear, and somehow they seem a little cooler. So let me show you. We've got a group today, 6 new fabrics, and they're all $14.99. Today only, they're $14.99. This is like a Pontoroma. It's a knit. It's a good base color, kind of a tan, beige, whatever you want to call it. It's just a really beautiful fabric. Great weight, stretch in both directions. It's 100% cotton. Just a very pretty fabric. This is a coordinating. I put it in together because you can see that the one is a little bit darker, but that would work really well in a monochromatic to do a pant and then a top. It would just really have a nice blend to it. This is a cotton, 100% cotton. It has stretch in one direction. This is a stretch woven. Very pretty fabric. Just really, perfect for a little jacket, pair of pants, either one. Then we have 100% viscose. Love the colors in this. Just love the colors. Great drape, stretch in both directions. And you could leave it together or cut it up and put it back together, and either way it'd be really beautiful. Great drape. Beautiful drape. I put with it this orange texture because it'd be such a great little jacket. Lightweight jacket, top, skirt, dress, jacket. It's just a really fun combination. Again, 100% viscose, two-way stretch on this. This is a cotton poly, and it has stretch in one direction on that. And it also goes with this one if you're a darker color happy person. I think I'm kind of that way, although I love my brights every once in a while. You guys know that. This is again 100% viscose, has stretch in both directions. Isn't that beautiful? Just so pretty, love it. And then because of the orange, it goes great with the orange, but because of the yellow, I had to put the yellow up. This is our Sally LaPointe yellow. This is a cotton poly. It's a woven fabric. But you can see and even if you put yellow and orange together, they just work so well all the way across the board. The yellow goes with the tan. And again, they're all $14.99 today only. And they've all been, they're all going to go up. Okay. The goal is happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.